Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find your Facebook deleted post. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, click on profile, click on three dot option. After that, click on activity log. Okay, click on trash option, then your deleted post, then register, then view. This post is deleted post. Find your Facebook deleted post. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.